Hello, my friend. Welcome. We are happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. This is a calm place. You can relax.
Today we talk about English for giving simple answers.
Simple answers are very important.
Yes, every day people ask you questions.
And you want to answer, but you feel scared.
Maybe you think, my English is small.
Or you think, I will make a mistake.
That feeling is normal.
Very normal.
Today we help you feel strong.
We help you answer in English.
Easy answers, simple answers.
You can do this.
Let us start with a small story.
A daily life story.
You are in a shop.
The shop worker looks at you.
The shop worker asks, do you need help?
Your heart beats fast.
You know the words in your head.
But your mouth is quiet.
You smile. You feel shy.
This happens to many people.
Today, we fix this problem.
We show you easy answers.
Short answers.
Clear answers.
Answers you can use today.
In the shop, at work, with friends.
And we go very slow.
Very slow.
First, let us promise something.
Yes, a promise.
We will use simple English.
No hard words.
Short sentences.
We repeat many times.
You can listen.
You can repeat.
You can learn.
You can speak.
Good. Let us begin.
The first thing is yes and no.
Yes and no are powerful.
Very powerful.
Many answers start with yes.
Or start with no.
Let us practice.
Repeat after me.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Good.
Now we add small words.
Not big sentences.
Small words.
Easy words.
For example, yes, please.
Yes, please.
This is kind.
This is polite.
You can use it many times.
Repeat.
Yes, please.
Again.
Yes, please.
Good.
Now, no thank you.
No, thank you.
This is also kind.
You say no, but you are polite.
Repeat.
No, thank you.
Again.
No, thank you.
Very good.
Now a question comes.
Do you want water?
You can say, yes, please.
Or, no thank you.
Easy.
Not long.
Not scary.
Simple.
Let us try more.
Do you need a bag?
Answer with me.
Yes, please.
Or,
No thank you.
good job.
You see? You can answer.
Let us add another word.
The word is okay.
Okay is very useful.
People use it every day.
It means yes.
It means I agree.
It means it is fine.
Repeat.
Okay.
Again.
Okay.
Now use it in an answer.
Is this time okay?
You say, okay.
Or you can say, yes, okay.
Both are good.
Simple is good.
Now we talk about I don't know.
This is important.
You do not know everything.
And that is okay.
When you do not know, say it.
Say, I don't know.
Repeat.
I don't know.
Again.
I don't know.
This is honest.
This is clear.
No stress.
For example,
Where is the bus stop?
if you do not know,
Say, I don't know.
you can add, sorry.
Sorry, I don't know.
Repeat,
Sorry, I don't know.
good.
Now let's slow down.
We will repeat some answers.
Listen first.
Yes, please.
No thank you.
Okay.
I don't know.
Now repeat with us.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Very nice.
Now we use daily life situations.
Real life.
Situation 1.
You are at work.
Your coworker asks, can you help me?
You can say yes
Yes.
or yes, okay.
Or, okay.
All are good.
If you cannot help,
Say sorry, no.
or, no, sorry.
Simple.
Short.
Situation 2.
You are with a friend.
Your friend asks, are you free today?
If yes,
Yes.
or, yes, I am.
But keep it simple.
Yes is fine.
If no,
No.
or no, sorry.
Good. Now we practice speaking.
Please repeat after me.
We go slow.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You sound great.
Really great.
Now a longer example.
But still simple.
Listen to our conversation.
Emily and Paul talk. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
Are you busy?
No.
Can you talk now?
Yes, okay.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, please.
Do you want sugar?
No, thank you.
Where do you want to sit?
I don't know.
That is a full talk.
Very simple.
Very clear.
Now you try.
Repeat some lines.
Yes, okay.
Yes, okay.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Good.
Now we talk about common mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
We learn from them.
Mistake 1.
Many learners say nothing.
They stay quiet.
Not this.
But this.
Say a small answer.
One word is fine.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Mistake 2.
Learners say long answers.
They try to be perfect.
Not this.
But this.
Short is better.
Simple is better.
Mistake 3.
Learners say yes when they mean no.
This causes problems.
Be honest.
Say no thank you.
Or, sorry, no.
That is good English.
Now we repeat again.
Repetition helps memory.
Listen and repeat.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Feel the words.
Feel calm.
You are learning.
Step by step.
Now a longer real-life talk.
Listen first.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
What do you need?
I don't know.
That is okay.
Can I sit here?
Yes, okay.
Thank you.
You see?
Very easy.
Now we help you remember.
Memory tips.
Use these answers every day.
In small moments.
In the shop.
On the bus.
At home.
Speak to yourself.
Look in the mirror.
Say, yes, please.
Say, no thank you.
Say, okay.
Say, I don't know.
This builds confidence.
Confidence is important.
You are not bad at English.
You are learning.
Every word is progress.
We are proud of you.
Very proud.
Before we end,
One more practice.
repeat with us.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
No thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Perfect.
Take a deep breath.
Smile.
You can answer in English.
You can speak.
Start small.
Stay calm.
We will see you again.
Keep practicing.
Bye for now.
Bye.